Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we're going to talk about low water use plants, what makes them that way, and how to identify them when looking for plants to put in your landscape. As a general rule, drought-tolerant plants have smaller leaves and higher users of water. The main reason for this is that the larger the leaves are, the more water it takes to cool the leaf surface. When it's warm or windy, plants transpire. This is similar to us sweating to cool our skin surface. Plants with a smaller leaf surface will lose less water from transpiration than plants with larger leaves. This is usually true for both trees and shrubs. Some good examples of drought-tolerant trees are sweet acacia and shoestring acacia, desert willows, palo verdes, and mesquites. These all have much smaller leaves than trees like ash, sycamores, privets, or magnolias. Some of you might say, what about palm trees? They have big leaves. But the difference here is that palms have vascular bundles that store water inside their trunks, unlike those other trees. These water-storing bundles allow palms to go much longer periods between watering. Examples of low water use shrubs are things like desert birds of paradise, Baja fairy duster, emu bush, and Texas sage varieties. Cassias, Russian sage, red yuccas, and salvias like the chaparral sage and autumn sage. And let's not forget about the obvious drought-tolerant varieties of the desert, the cactus and succulents. These plants have the ability to store extra water in their leaves, branches, or stems. These roots are designed to absorb and transfer water up the plant whenever it is available to them. Once inside the plant, the water is stored in specialized cells that expand to hold the water for future use. Most of these plants have a pliable outer layer of skin that can expand and contract with the changing amount of water that is stored inside. These plants also usually have a waxy outer surface to help prevent water loss. For a list of reliable plants for hot and dry climates, get a free copy of our Star Note number 530 at our store locations or at starnursery.com. While you're there, check out our current ad featuring decorative rock starting at just $26.50 per ton in the Las Vegas area and just $29.50 per ton in southern Utah. Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply headquarters. We have the largest selection of sprinkler parts for any repairs or installation. Remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.